Welcome to is6fx tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to log in to the MT4 WebTrader. This platform is web-based, so we recommend using Google Chrome or Safari for the best user experience. To log into the WebTrader, visit our website. Navigate to the platform section and under MT4 platform, click on WebTrader. One of the key advantages of the MT4 WebTrader is that no download or installation is required. You can access it directly from your browser, making it convenient and easy to use from any device with an internet connection. Now, click on Open WebTrader. Choose your account type and click Next. Enter your login ID and password. Check your server type and click OK to log in. You will hear a chime that confirms a successful login. Let's explore some options and features available in the WebTrader. We recommend enabling full screen mode by clicking here for a better user experience. Let's start with the Market Watch window. By default, it shows the 20 most popular currency pairs. You can add or hide more by right-clicking anywhere in Market Watch and selecting symbols. When you choose a group, the instruments for each group will be displayed on the right-hand side of the window. Select an instrument to display its contract specifications below, then click Show or Hide to add or remove it from your Market Watch. Next, let's look at the chart window. To open a chart for a selected instrument, simply click and drag it into the chart window. There are 3 chart types to choose from: bar chart, candlesticks, and line chart. You can find them here. Multiple time frames are also customizable for your chart. Select them by clicking on the matching icon. To change your chart's color scheme, right-click anywhere in the window and select Properties. Choose from yellow on black, green on black, or black on white. To change the language of your WebTrader, click View and select Languages. You will be presented with a long list of languages to choose from. You can also use the pre-installed indicators by clicking here and choosing the indicator of your choice. Congratulations! You can now navigate the WebTrader with assurance. Thank you for choosing is6fx. Happy trading!